Here's the watt meter, the blue one. Let's disconnect it, and it can measure kilowatt hour, kWh. And if you use multiple loads, let's say that a drill or a laptop, then it can add those two power consumptions. It works even without a power supply, so if you just press a button, notice it's showing something. That's the function key, that's the voltage. Currently nothing is plugged in here, so it's not measuring anything. That's the amperage, watts low, watts high, that was the maximum which was currently used from this socket. That's the cost, it has a clock there, also watts being used from here, and finally the kilowatt hour. Now to reset all of these, you have a small reset button here. Okay, let's try to do that one. Here's a small screw and push it in. Kilowatt hour were resetted. Okay, now let's plug it in. It's still at kilowatt hour. Plug in, let's say, the drill. This will make a little bit of noise. And the last number will slowly go up. Slowly, because this consumes around 100 watts. Okay, so that's 0.001 kilowatt hour. And if I remove this one and insert the laptop's power cable, then the two power consumptions will be added. The laptop consumes less, let's see how much, but it will add up to the consumption of the drill. So it's getting 230 watts from here. It's consuming 0.25 amps. If I remove it, then it's not consuming anything, that's why it's 0. So that's the amp consumption, current consumption of the laptop. Watts low, the lowest was 0, the highest was 170. That's from the drill itself. That's the cost, it was not added. And currently the laptop is consuming 47 watts, 43. Okay, and kilowatt hours, that one is from the drill, and after a while the laptop will add its own consumption. So if you insert multiple devices here, then this blue meter, the watt meter, will measure the power consumption of all of them. So it's adding the two power consumptions together. It's scratched, the display is scratched. Okay, there we have it. I just wanted to say that we have to wait, but it already added up. So it is adding the power consumptions together. Here we have some specifications. That's how to measure how much power was used by inserting a consumer here, and it will show the kilowatt hours used from here. If I talk more, then this number will go up to 3. Let's place it here, and that number in time should go up. And voila, just a few seconds and we have 0003 kilowatt hours.